Hey, what is your name?
Hey, I'm Aria. What's yours?
My name's Levi.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. How about you?
I'm from the USA. How old are you?
I'm 24. What's your favorite color?
I like pink. Do you have any siblings?
I have one sister and two brothers. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What kind of music do you like?
I like EDM. Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I go to the gym twice a week.
What do you do for fun?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name's Buddy.
Do you like to cook?
No, I don't. Do you like to dance?
Sometimes. Have you traveled to any other countries?
Yes, I've been to Italy and France. What about you?
I've been to the UK. What's your favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite one.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion. What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor. What about you?
I want to be a designer.